My people no be small matter lori Mariam. Wetin dis woman see for juju sef? Wetin she see for juju? Anyway, everything dey fail, only God wey no dey fail. Even human being dey fail because when you hear say human being don kpai, na im be say human being don fail. So is it juju that will not fail? E go fail, especially when you are fighting an innocent human being with clean hand, the person wey no do you anything. Your juju must surely, definitely fail you. Yes, we don dey hear say you know say Olori Aunty Igbi, she knows everywhere wey dem dey get juju. She knows everywhere. She get the ones wey she dey carry for her bag. My correct people, things dey happen o. E get the one wey she keep for her room. All of these things is just to protect herself o, because she know say as she dey fight against Queen Naomi go dey pray against her enemy. In short, we heard the other time that one man like that was crying in her room. She started seeing a strange man crying in her room. That was when we started hearing that it was when she buried Kabiyesi's picture in the palace inside a bottle. There's nothing we no hear that time. And then they bring in juju. Every time, every now and then you hear say they don't bring juju keep for palace. Every time they go bring juju keep for palace. Every time. That is what they used to do until now that we heard that Kabiyesi told them that enough is enough. Everybody, you have to find your way out of the palace. No more anybody in the palace. And that was even when they wanted to leave the palace. We started hearing that Aunty Igbi started appearing and disappearing when they said that Kabiyesi entered his room and they saw a blue. The next thing again, Kabiyesi could not see her again. And she later accused, who did she accused Aunty Blue then that it was Aunty Blue. No, Ashley. And it was Ashley that uses her face to go and visit Kabiyesi in her room. Because Kabiyesi was thinking that is a dream, but it wasn't a dream. So my correct people, what we dey hear be say the juju that she brought and keep in her house to be protecting her, the thing don turn out to fight her. She never see anything. You never see anything. Everything around you. See, let me tell you, there's no resting place for any wicked man. There's no resting place for the wicked. You think say you go fight a woman of God and you go free? You think say this juju wey you dey bring now to protect you go protect you forever? No now. And one thing I notice about this life is that some people, when they go get juju, there was this story I heard one certain time. I think today itself, where I went today, one man was saying that a girl came to her and was telling her, why is it that people that is doing evil is flourishing very well? Look, this person, after she went and collected juju, she brought in deity and kept in her house and started worshiping it. She started building upstairs. You know, it seems like the wicked are flourishing, while those that is righteous, waiting upon the Lord, are suffering. At a spot, me, I wanted to talk like that too. Seriously, I wanted to think like that, but I later found out that God have a reason for everything that He's doing. Even now that Queen Naomi is facing this thing that she's facing in the palace with these Oloris, God have His reason. So, that person that was saying that because of that man went and brought juju, that he's flourishing. He's not flourishing. And if at all he flourishes, every good thing is coming from the Lord. Satan no dey give person anything good. The devil have come to destroy and to steal. So, it's only God that have come to give us life and give it to us in abundance. So, my correct people, make I tell una say, forget this thing wey dem dey talk say people wey dey do evil dey flourish. Oya see now, Aunty Igbi wey dey go collect different kinds of babalawo, juju and all of that just to protect herself. What have she stand to gain? Loss. Because the thing continue to fight her. The thing go dey haunt her. E go dey hurt her until she will confess. There's no how she's going to go free. She no go free. Okay, look at the one that she now brought. As we heard it allegedly, because I was not there. She brought to protect her. This is a protection that she, as we heard allegedly, that she brought a protection for the thing to be protecting her. and the thing turned out to start fighting her. Recently again, we heard that she was being pursued by a strange spirit. Who knows the one that is even pursuing her? Who knows whether it's even the one that she brought and keep in her house that is pursuing her? Abi is it one of the gods, as we heard that Kabiyesi went to speak on her behalf. Kabiyesi want to know what is happening to her. Don't forget that. See, let me tell you one thing. Kabiyesi is such a heart. I don't know how will I say, a good man. Let me just put it like that. Kabiyesi is just a good man, very good man at that matter. Like I put it, very good, because I don't know why these people will be punishing him the way they are punishing him. Because this is a punishment. He doesn't have rest of mind. But God will give him rest. Whether these people are doing this thing. If he knows what is good for him, let him forget about these people. Let him overlook them and face his life. Let him live a good life. Because now this kind of thing, this kind of life where they push this man to start living, this kind of heart, small time you go hear say Kabiyesi's heart will start fluctuating up and down because he's having BP. Now all of this thing wey these people dey do, na im dey cause those things. Okay, Kabiyesi went to know whether they can get solution to this woman's problem. They found out that it wasn't even just ordinary spirit, that it was the God that is fighting her. So since the God is fighting her, what do you expect that Kabiyesi should do? Nothing. Kabiyesi will just go and rest, because na the thing wey she do na im make them dey pursue her. Na that thing wey she do na im make them pursue her. So right now, even the protection that she brought is after her. That is to tell you that at the last day, at the last day, even those things that you think that can bring protection to you will end up fighting you. They will end up fighting you like say tomorrow no day. They will be your enemy. Even those you thought is your friend will be your enemy. So my correct people, anyway, when I heard this one, I was like, this is just the genesis of everything that is happening to her. She never see anything. She don't confess about what, because of fear. When Oba died over what he was doing against Queen Naomi, so out of fear, then she went and confessed that she was paid to come against to work against Kabiyesi. That was why she confessed then. But this time around, wetin she go see wey go struck her, she no go believe am. She no go believe am. She will not believe it. Anyway, my correct people, don't forget that all of these gist are all alleged. I was not the one in the happen, but I know that no evildoers will go unpunished, and the juju no dey last. Juju no dey last at all. E go fail you one day. Juju no dey last at all. E must fail you every day. So run into Jesus Christ so that you go get your full protection. Hey, Aunty Igwe, I wan compose music for you. Juju no dey last o. Run to Christ and get your protection. And stop fighting the person wey no fight you. Anyway, thank you. And don't forget that they are alleged though. Now here, just let me share with you. Please give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're yet to subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.